Installed XAMPP and created your database but not sure how to connect it with PHP? Let's fix that in the next few minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we created a MySQL database using phpMyAdmin. Now it is time to connect that database with PHP and make it actually useful. First, open your XAMPP control panel. Make sure Apache and MySQL are running. If not, click Start for both. Now instead of writing everything from scratch, we will use a ready-made file. Go to this GitHub link. https://github.com/techy/simplephp. Download the file named connect.php. Now open your htdocs folder. Inside htdocs, create a new folder called Files. Place the connect.php file inside the Files folder. Open the connect.php file. You will see the database connection code. We define 4 things. Host, which is localhost. Username, which is root. Password, which is empty by default. And your database name. Change only the database name to users. Keep everything else the same. Then we create a connection using MySQLi. After that, we check whether the connection is successful or not. If it fails, it will show an error. If it works, it will print connected successfully. Now open your browser and type localhost/files/connect.php. If everything is correct, your database will connect successfully. If it does not work, check these. Make sure MySQL is running. Make sure the database name is correct. Make sure connect.php is inside the files folder under htdocs. Now you have successfully connected PHP to your MySQL database. In the next video, we will insert and fetch data using PHP. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.